Here's a site you can use to crawl TikTok and find all the people using your profile picture on their accounts. You can as well use it to try and find secret accounts of people, by using photos from other social accounts. Currently, Search for Faces tool utilizes images collected from TikTok between March 2021 to September 2021. Let's dive in. For this demonstration, kindly allow me to use random public images, so as to simulate how you can effectively utilize the tool. Filters are very good when one has data for a person. If for example you're trying to find someone on TikTok, and not just faces of people with a particular image, as well as to narrow down the search results. Press search, after applying filters. If you're not a public figure, and people are just using your photo to spread hate messages or scam others by pretending to be you, you can press the 3 dots under any of the TikTok accounts, and report them for the impersonation or the agenda. Let me try one final image, to show you how you can crop an image using the tool, so that it can concentrate on one face of an individual. In conclusion, I can honestly say that this could be a very powerful facial detection tool, if the image dataset was to be updated more frequently. Check out the site. They even offer other services other than finding images only on TikTok app.